Choosing the right garbage disposal can make your kitchen cleaner, quieter, and more efficient. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 garbage disposals on Amazon this year to help you pick the best. Let's begin with the InSinkErator Badger 5, a tried-and-true model that continues to dominate Amazon's bestseller list. With a half-horsepower DuraDrive induction motor and galvanized steel components, the Badger 5 is built for durability and reliable everyday performance. It's compact, which makes it an ideal fit for tighter under-sink spaces, and its lift and latch mounting system ensures hassle-free installation. While not the quietest unit on the market, it's consistently praised for its simplicity, effectiveness, and affordability. For small to medium households looking for a dependable unit that just works, the Badger 5 is a solid investment that balances cost with capability. Next is the InSinkErator Badger 5 XP, an upgraded version of the original Badger 5, offering more power without compromising on space or ease of installation. This model features a 3/4 horsepower motor, giving it an edge when dealing with tougher food scraps like small bones or fibrous vegetables. Like its predecessor, it uses InSinkErator's quick lock mounting system, making upgrades and replacements easy, especially if you already have an older InSinkErator model installed. It's a great mid-range choice for families who want a bit more grinding power without jumping to premium prices. Users report smoother operation, quicker breakdown of waste, and greater peace of mind with fewer clogs. For those who want quieter operation and enhanced build quality, the InSinkErator Evolution Compact is the go-to choice. This model features a 3/4 horsepower motor paired with SoundSeal technology, which significantly reduces noise levels during operation, perfect for open-concept kitchens or homes where silence is golden. It also includes a 2-stage multi-grind system that efficiently handles a wider range of food waste, reducing the chance of jams and clogs. Its stainless steel components and leak guard lining improve longevity and performance. Although it comes at a slightly higher price, its features and quiet performance make it well worth the investment for users who value a more premium, seamless experience. Moving on to higher horsepower, the Disposall Disposal GFC 102. 0N offers serious performance with a powerful 1-horsepower motor and stainless steel grinding chamber. This model is designed for busy kitchens and larger households that regularly deal with large amounts of food waste. With a high-speed 2,800 RPM motor and a continuous feed system, it can handle everything from fruit peels to meat scraps with ease. The anti-jam design and easy mount installation system simplify setup and maintenance. GE's attention to design and quality means this disposal is built to last, even under heavy daily use. It's an excellent pick if you cook frequently or simply want a high-performance workhorse in your kitchen. Rounding out our list is the Waste King L111, a compact and budget-friendly unit ideal for smaller households or light-duty use. It features a 1/3 horsepower permanent magnet motor, which offers decent grinding capability for everyday kitchen scraps. The Waste King's easy mount system allows for quick and easy installation, and it even includes a pre-installed power cord, something many other models lack. It's lightweight and quiet for its class, and the corrosion-resistant grinding components ensure a respectable lifespan. While it may not handle tougher food waste as well as the higher-powered models, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, or users who cook less frequently and want an affordable disposal that gets the job done.